Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply install Xbox app in your computer in a very simple way. Well, I'm going to use Microsoft Store for download it. So here is the Microsoft Store. You better find it over here, like Microsoft Store, and then you're going to click on that, and then it is going to open. And then if you just simply come over to the search option, Xbox, and then click enter, you're going to get the Xbox app over here, and you can see I rightly installed it. That's why it's showing open. So if you just click on install over here, if you didn't install it, and then it will going to install, and then you're going to get this open mark over here. So here if you click on the open, it will going to open the Xbox in our computer like mine. Here it is, you can see. So now if I just point it into the middle, it will be very easy to show you. And now if you click on done, and from here you're going to get your all games into the Xbox bar or Xbox in your computer. So yeah, this is how you can simply do that. So here if you just want to play the Minecraft, if you click on that, any game if you want, and then there will be an install option over here. So make a purchase and let's play the game in a very simple way. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.